Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve real estate training programs with Keller Williams, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the current real estate training programs within your organization. Identify the strengths and weaknesses of these programs. Gather feedback from agents to understand their needs and preferences. Research Keller Williams training resources, such as their renowned training modules and coaching programs. Explore the KW training platform for valuable materials and online courses. Integrate Keller Williams curriculum into your existing program to enhance content quality. Utilize KW's training tools, like role-playing exercises and case studies, to encourage collaboration among agents through group training sessions inspired by Keller Williams' community-driven approach. Set specific goals for each training session, focusing on improving skills that are essential for real estate success. Implement a mentorship program featuring experienced agents who can guide newer recruits throughout their training. Regularly track progress and solicit feedback on the effectiveness of training adjustments. Make necessary revisions to the program based on ongoing assessments and agent input. Create a welcoming environment for continuous learning, fostered by Keller Williams' culture of growth. Promote networking opportunities during training events to help agents build relationships with peers. Incorporate technology by using Keller Williams apps and platforms to reinforce training concepts in real time. Schedule regular follow-up sessions to review progress and address any challenges faced by agents. Highlight success stories from agents who have benefited from enhanced training to inspire others. Remain adaptable to ongoing changes within the real estate market, updating training materials as needed. Continuously emphasize the importance of professional development and lifelong learning among agents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.